Hey, I noticed that you checked out our ECG skill training level 1 program, but for some reason you chose to not to join the training. Look, I understand that it seems like an overkill that the entire experience of ECG skill level 1 is contained in just 70 minutes. Is it really true? Is it even possible? Exactly. That's the hard work. The 11 years of experience I had as an author of ECG book, Learn ECG in a Day, published by JP Brothers and later also translated into 2 different languages, Spanish and Mandarin. Along with that, conducting hundreds of workshops, trained thousands of students, and also interpreting ECG day in and day out of my practice. With all this experience and skills, I have condensed systematically to present to you in just 70 minutes of training this ECG program. Yes, in just 70 minutes, I shall take you all the way from the basics to interpreting 20 findings on ECG strips systematically. No unnecessary theories, 100% practical skill oriented so that you skill up yourself to interpret ECG in your day-to-day clinical practices. The only thing you need to do is follow the instructions. This is as practical as it gets. So lastly, I would like to say that by the end of 70 minutes, you will be able to understand the basics and also will be equipped to interpret rate, rhythm, right and left axis deviation, right and left atrial hypertrophy, right and left ventricular hypertrophy, right and left bundle branch blocks, myocardial infarction, heart problems, right? And also a great mnemonic, because to remember heart blocks, it's always confusing to type 1, type 2, type 3, right? Again, morbid type 1 and type 2 is there, right? So there are many things. So again, we have good mnemonics to create that, and many more, of course, 20 findings will be telling you in this, right? So about the program, it's a recorded training program created with graphics and animation for a better imaginative understanding of ECG interpretation. As I say, ECG is a 3-dimensional interpretation, not just a basic interpretation. So when you take up the program, you will get lifetime access to the program, which means you can watch, rewatch anytime and as long as you want. Isn't that amazing? Right. So just jump in and upskill yourself. If there are any questions or any kind of queries you have, kindly feel free to comment on the section below, and I and my team will be more than happy to answer all your questions. However, I genuinely wish that you give this course a chance, because I know that this could completely change the way you think of ECG learning. By being skilled in ECG interpretation, you are not only upskilling yourself but majoritarily contributing to the life of millions of patients. Click on the link below or visit Dr. Sajjan Academy to join the program. All the best.